learn something about grammar also. Grammar is also important part of English, whereas you have to cover your marks into grammar also. So in grammar, the most difficult thing for you is transformation. That transformation you can get in MCQ form as well as in the part B form. जो MCQs में भी आ सकते हैं और part B में भी आ सकता है. So transformation has many topics. Transformation कोई एक चीज पे नहीं होता है. But transformation is all about affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, affirmative to exclamatory, affirmative to interrogative, use to, remove to, as soon as, use no sooner did. Many things are there. I'll give you all the topics for transformation. But first let's start with the definition that what is transformation. वो तो पता होना चाहिए. बाद में बोले ना उसमें जितने भी topics है. But what is transformation? Change the sentence from one to another. एक सेंटेंस में से दूसरे सेंटेंस में चेंज करना उसको. But there's a specific definition of it. जो आपको बोर्ड पे दिखाई देगी. I have written here the specific definition of transformation, where you can see that to transform a sentence, it to change from one grammatical form to another. एक फॉर्म में से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज करना without alternating the sentence. Without alternating means without changing its meaning. उसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, but we have to change the sentence. लेकिन सेंटेंस को हमें चेंज करना है. So how we can change that sentence from one to another? कैसे हम चेंज करेंगे? Let us look at the example. Here I have given first example. The book is difficult. Subject, verb, and here you have given the adjective. Difficult book. This book as it is present as it is. Now we have to turn this affirmative to negative. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है उसको नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो दिस बुक इज नॉट इजी. ऑपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट. अगर मैं ये लिखूंगी दिस बुक इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, मीनिंग चेंज. ये बुक डिफिकल्ट है पॉजिटिव, उसका मैंने नेगेटिव किया. दिस बुक इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ये बुक डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, तो ये तो मीनिंग चेंज हो गया. So we have to make this sentence like this book is not easy. अगर book easy नहीं है तो book कैसी है? That book is difficult. So here we can change the sentence without alternating its sense. उसके sense को हमने change नहीं किया. We only changed the sentence. Next, you can see here. He is too proud to learn. Here you can see too. You can get the bracket over here like remove to. आपको ऐसा ब्रैकेट शायद एग्जाम में मिल सकता है. remove to. अगर आप इसको रिमूव करते हो, then how can we change this sentence? Instead of to we have to put so. उसकी जगह पे हमें क्या रखना है? so. He is removed to so. Adjective as it is proud. To learn. This is our adjective. But before that you have to put that. Then subject he. If the sentence is in present tense is, then you have to use cannot. If the sentence is in past tense, then you have to use could not. But हमारा sentence present में है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Cannot. So he is, instead of to put so proud that he present tense cannot learn. Remove to also. I'll give you one more example so you can be easily understand how to change the sentence and how remove to. First of all, you have given here subject and here is verb. These two things you have to put as it is. But from here you have to change the sentence. So first of all you have given to, weak, adjective, work, infinitive. What is infinitive? To work, to play, to jump, to eat. In short, action words. That's all are called infinitive. So how can we change this? Means how we have to remove to and we have to use so. So first of all, to turns into so. ये हो जाएगा convert. So after that adjective, जो आपका adjective होगा to के बाद as it is. After adjective you have to put that. उसके बाद आप यूज करोगे that. That के बाद आप यूज करोगे subject. जो आपका subject रहेगा she as it is. If present tense then cannot, and if past tense then could not. And at last whatever the word you have to write it. So let's change the sentence. So example, she is too weak to work. As I have told you, to adjective is there, infinitive is there, to turns into so, adjective as it is. Here you have to put that, then subject, and cannot for present tense, could not for past tense. Let's change it. First of all, she as it is as it is. Instead of to, you have to put so. Then you have to add adjective, weak. After that you have to add that. Again you have to add subject. Subject is she. Here you have given cannot or could not. So first recognize your tense of the sentence is. Means present tense. So we have to use cannot. She cannot. And at last you have given infinitive verb. Remove to and write only action word walk. So I hope this concept is clear. She is too weak to work. वो इतनी वीक है कि वो शायद वर्क नहीं कर सकती. She is so weak. वो इतनी ज्यादा वीक है that she cannot work. कि वो काम ही नहीं कर सकती. Sentence changed, but meaning same. So let's start our first topic of transformation. Remove to और use to. या तो उसको remove करो या तो उसको use करो. First sentence. He is too old to run. So likewise, whatever the example I have given you, that you have to use the formula here. First of all, you have given he. Verb as it is. He is instead of to. Put so. Adjective old. Put that. Subject he. Now look the tense. Present tense or past tense is. Present tense. So we have to use cannot. And at last infinitive to run. Remove to. Only put run. So now look at the final sentence. He is so old that he cannot run. वो इतना बूढ़ा है कि दौड़ नहीं सकता. Both the sentences are having same meaning. Change किया ये नेगेटिव में चेंज हुआ लेकिन उसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं हुआ. So without alternating the sense, we have changed the sentence. Second one. The father is too weak to control his son. इतने वीक है कि वो अपने बच्चों को संभाल ही नहीं पा रहे. So the transformation should be the father is. Here sorry, T double O. Remove to and put so. Adjective weak. Put that. Subject the father. So for father we have to use pronoun. Father is a male person, so we have to use he. That he. Remove to. Cannot. Why I am using cannot because present tense is here. So cannot control. Adjective. His sons. Extra word. His sons. Clear? Next. He was too lazy to complete his work. First of all, he, look at the tense, was, past tense. Remove to, put so. Adjective, lazy. Here you have to put that. Now subject is he, so put he. Now if past tense is there, so we have to use could not. He could not. Adjective, complete. Remove to. Could not complete. At last, his work. So this is how we can change the sentences. You just have to keep in mind that if present tense is there, then you have to put cannot. If past tense is there, then you have to put could not. So you can mention these all the sentences in your notebook also and keep the rules in your mind.